follow me. We're going this way. Yoki's farm is just right that way. Stop. There's new animals here and now there's an alpaca and a capybara.
Wow.
And we're gonna see alpacas first. And then after the alpaca we're gonna do capybara. And we have to follow the I think that's the tour guide. So we're following the tour guide right now. And the tour guide is gonna look, go in front of us with a tour before we see the alpacas. First, we're seeing the alpacas because we're seeing the new animals before we see the old animals.
Yeah, our first area po yung ating fun. So this area po.
Everyone, we're now at the Japanese koi fish section, and now all of the Japanese koi fish are in there.
Ito po yung stingray dito sa may other side.
Some of the Japanese koi fish are trapped in there. So
Pantubig tabang
some
naman yun.
of
Hindi
the
siya mang
Japanese
saltwater.
koi fish are good
Kasi kung saltwater,
area
hindi
to
pa pwede
jump
sumanong kayo.
out and splash. And the big one, we're now somewhere that has a. Now this place has a playground. This place has a playground. We're going into the parrot place.
Go, baby.
We're gonna see the parrots. We're seeing the parrots. Now I'm with Mango. Mango is so adorable, huh? And I tried to feed her, but she doesn't. She's full. And you can also pet her if you want. She's so cute. People so cute. And also, look, do you want them? Do you want? No? Okay, I guess you can. I'll give you.
With papers.
I'll give you a little bit more around the area. Everyone, now I'm going to show you big. I'm not afraid of him at all because I know about him. And the biggest lizard in the world is so big he can literally eat one bite all of his food out. And he also can climb the walls like that lizard. Wow!
Pinay. Pinagala po kasi talaga siya araw-araw. Kaya po.
Pinay.
Nainitan ba? Must be hot.
Alin po? Hindi po yun?
Must be hot. Queen Anne must be hot. Oo. Great. Good. Queen Anne. Queen Anne.
Ay, sorry.
Ito po, local breed
Sorry,
na siya.
kuya.
Dito na po siya pinanganak sa loob ng pag. Bali, 8 months na
Queen
po.
Anne is so cute.
Tama ko ba?
Queen Anne is so cute.
Di ba dun ba? You want to touch, baby? Hindi, si Masha mo. No? Safe.
Bye. Hi.
Bye-bye. Queen Anne. Bye.
Say hi. Hey, look here, look here.
Gusto rin too much. Oh. Ito sir, para mapagpakain siya. Yan, tawag po niya sa species na yan is Aldabra tortoise, second largest tortoise in the world.
What's his name?
Di ba na? Bonita. Hindi ba?
What's his name?
Bonita baby, Bonita.
What's his name?
Her name is Bonita and last one is
Lucky. There's Lucky and
Ay, sorry.
Bonita.
Puneta.
It says follow us.
Kaya ba ka?
Eating. The big one.
Ay, sorry,
Eat
baby.
the big one.
Aya!
Ate,
Ate, hi.
Baka na.
I think I'll come.
Oh, you can touch the shell, ate.
Oh, it's so hard. Really the hardest thing.
Yan po yung umabot ng 100 years to 100 years yung lifespan po nila.
Hey.
Yan, tapos si Harley and si Marty from Madagascar.
Hey.
Si Marty yung pwedeng hawakan.
Apo,
Ayan, pag lumapit. Ayan ba lumalapit?
Ah, ba yung pili mo na. Dalawa lang po yung ating zebra dito eh, parehas po yung female. And later po, papasok din tayo sa loob.
Ah, talaga?
Tapos natin yung ostrich, wild horse.
Ah!
Di ba naninipa yung ostrich daw?
Invite yan sir dito.
Go closer, baby.
Oh, I'm so small.
Alis ka mo kasi dyan. Alis ka. Go, it's okay. Nakawak sila?
Hindi sir.
Nakamuhok siya eh.
Ganyan po talaga yan.
And everybody, now we're gonna leave Yoka's farm. And Yoka's farm, we'll see the Yoka's farm soon when Daddy's here. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!